I want to schedule everything in one framework. Next, again, one more requirement. I want to submit everyday jobs 8 a.m. Every day I want to submit the jobs 8 a.m. How can we do it? Every day we are coming and at that time we are raising the query, we are submitting the queries? No, we are not doing like that. We should do the jobs. Automatically those jobs are running every day at that timings. And third point, for example, if my data query is running, output is available. If output is available, I want to run next. Output is not available, I don't want to run next job. This is another requirement. How we are going to do it? We are checking manually, output is available, then starting next job? No, in the real time, we are not doing like that. We want a workflow required. That workflow in a Hadoop we call it Oozie. In other softwares, for example, yes, cron jobs we are using for schedulers. Different. Not only Oozie, we have number of schedulers are available. Different projects, people are using different projects. Mostly Hadoop projects we are using either Oozie jobs or shell scripts. Mostly Oozie jobs we are using to scheduling jobs. Okay, what is Oozie? What is Oozie? Why we are using Oozie? Most of the problems cannot be solved with a single map reading jobs. We require more than map reading jobs. We require more map reading jobs to find the solution of the particular problem. So a workflow job is needed to finish the jobs. A workflow is needed to finish all those jobs. If running jobs, maybe map reading job, pick job, hive job, scoop jobs, those jobs I want to run parallelly, or else one job completed, I want to run next job. Yes, those type of workflows we are going to write by using Oozie. And the next point, a specific time I want to run the job. By using Oozie, you can write the code. Then according to specific time, those jobs are running. So what is this Oozie workflow? This Oozie workflow, we are generally writing by using XML. The Oozie workflow also looks like an XML file. If it is XML file means, we know XML file, what is there in XML file? Root node, chain node, those nodes are available. If we want to write XML file, we are going to, through XML nodes only we are going to write our XML file. But only difference is, our own XML files, we are taking our own names. But if we want to write a Oozie workflow, that XML file, Oozie workflow means XML file only. We want to follow some predefined nodes. Predefined nodes are available. We are going to follow those predefined nodes only. What nodes are there? Nodes? Yes. If we want to start any workflow in Oozie, must and should the start node is there. This is the syntax. Start node. That's it. Start. And end node is there. Start node helps to start the workflow. End node helps to end the workflow. Similar like our root node. Root node starting, root node ending. No? Similarly, root node starting means start, root node ending means end. Okay. And action nodes is available. Action nodes means majorly in our workflow, there are two types of workflows are available. Workflow nodes, action nodes. Workflow nodes means start node, end node, OK node, error node, this all comes under workflow nodes. Action nodes means, for example, I want to submit Hive script, Hive action is available. I want to submit pig scripts, pig action node is available. Shell script, shell action node. Map reading, yes, MR1 action node is available. So predefined action nodes are available. In these action nodes only, we are defining our script. Sub workflow helps to define sub workflow. OK node helps to find the starter of the OK. For example, if my job is running, any job is running, if the job is succeeded, automatically the cursor comes to the OK node. In this OK node, we are deciding what is our next step. So if I want to resubmit a job, or else I want to run next job, or else I want to terminate the job, those type of information we are going to configure OK node. Error node, we are going to decide the errors. If any error is there in my action node, In my script, any error is there, automatically the cursor comes to error node. In this error, I decided what is next step. Kill node is there. Yes, if I want to kill the job, if my cursor comes to the error node, then I want to kill the job. I decide kill the job. By using kill command, we are going to kill the jobs. And the fork node is there. The fork node advantage is to join to run number of jobs parallelly. Helps to running number of jobs parallelly. For example, I have hive script is there, pig script is there. I want output. There is no dependencies of both the scripts. Then I want to start 2 jobs at a time only for time saving. How can I decide it? Hive script means hive fork node, hive action. Pig script means pig action. Yes, those 2 actions are decided in fork node. Then automatically those 2 jobs are running at a time only. And decision node helps to take the decision, and join node helps to join the fork node outputs. What are the fork giving output now? That output helps to joining the join node. Okay, so these are the predefined nodes that are available in our Oozie. By using these nodes only, we are going to develop our workflows. Okay, let's see sample workflow. Get some more clarity. Shell script workflow, not pig, not hive, just a shell script. What script? I have some data is there in my local file system. I'm copying data from my local to HDFS. Concentrate. Important one. Definitely you can add skill set of Oozie in your profile also. Okay. What is the query is? I have some file is there in my local file system or HDFS, whatever it is. I copy that file to my HDFS. Generally we are running through command prompt, but I want to submit that query through Oozie. I want to submit this query through Oozie. How can I submit? Through Oozie. As first we want to write that query into one script. The script name is shell script. Similarly, if you have pig script, hive scripts. Okay. Then workflow. This is a workflow example. Yes, this is a complete workflow. Yeah, this is the first line. First line is workflow app name. Give me one workflow name and XML version. Common to every workflow. Then start. See here. Start. It's automatically started our workflow. Start to shell node. I said start to shell node. What happened? Shell node is action node. So action name equal to shell node. So my cursor started first going to shell, first going to start node, and in the start node I said go to shell node. So in the action node as specified, go to shell node. Okay. Then what I'm highlighting, that is selection, and that is the job tracker and the name node parameters. If you want to submit a job Oozie workflow, we want to define what is our job tracker name, what is our task tracker job tracker name, what is our name node name, job name node. That information we are going to specify here. We are going to specify here. And after that, see the script path. Where is our script is available? I wrote it one script. The script I placed in my HDFS so-and-so location. So-and-so location, my shell script is available. Where it is available, that information I configured in my workflow. Okay, if everything is completed, close the shell script. I open shell action, close the shell action. If it is completed, the shell script is completed, query completed, automatically cursor comes to OK node. See here, shell closed, OK to end. If OK, I said end the node. If any error is there, kill it. If it is completed, OK to end. If any error is there, automatically the cursor comes to error. If it is succeeded, automatically cursor comes to OK. So in this OK or error, I decide what is my next step. I decide OK to end, error to kill, and action closed. Action closed. In the kill, I said kill the node, and if you want any message, what is the reason to kill? If you want message or mail, you can specify here in the killer. here. Then finally end the node. Then end the workflow. This simple workflow. This is a simple workflow for shell script. Finally, if you want to submit Oozie workflow, I rotate this workflow and I want to submit the workflow. How can I submit the workflow? Yes, if we want to submit Oozie workflow, we required three types of files. We require three types of files. As of now, we know script. The script may be either a shell script or a Hive script or a pig script or a map routing script, whatever it is, the scripts. And the second one is workflow. Workflow.xml. So in this workflow.xml, we are specifying where is our script, that information. And finally, third one is required, that is job.properties. This is a third file. There are three files required to developing any workflow, Oozie workflow. Job.properties, workflow.xml, script. These are three files is required. We know script, our data is available, our course is available. Workflow, just now we are learning. Our workflow we are designing. Workflow, nothing is there. Workflow, what is there? Just understand the predefined nodes. That's it. What is the workflow? What is there? Just my name node name, my job tracker name, and where is my script is available, the script path, and if it is succeeded, success message. Okay. End, if any error message, kill message. That's it. That is in a workflow. Then coming to third file, job.properties. In our job.properties, what we are going to mention? In my job.properties, I want to mention name node name. Remember, in our workflow, we are not mentioning any job tracker name or name node name. Job tracker, just a parameter passing. Where we want to pass these parameters? Where we want to define? Yes, this information we are going to define in our job.properties. Name node, this is my name node name. This is my name node at node manager. This is my map reducing 2 in my current project. This is my node manager name. And if a job tracker or a task manager, yes, node manager or a resource manager, that name here, this one. Job tracker name node. Then default name is Q. Default name is Q, and then example root dir path, the complete path, and Oozie workflow XML application path. Where is my application? Where is my Oozie workflow? That path we want to specify here. So simply job.properties, we are defining in node name node name, job tracker name, and our workflow name. Where is my workflow? Where is the path? That information we are going to decide in our job.properties. In our job.properties, that we call. Okay. So see clearly, there are three files is required: job.properties, workflow, and script. Okay. So clearly, script information. Again a question. Again a point. Job.properties. Really, where it is available. Job.properties must and should it will be there in local file system only. Job.properties want to be there must and should local file system, and workflow want to be there must and should in our HDFS, and even script also must and should want to be there in HDFS only. Okay. Remember, job.properties want to be there local file system, workflow want to be there in HDFS, and script want to be there in HDFS. Must and should. And we want to define the address where is my script is available. Chain, for example, make a chain. What is chain? Link will be there, one chain to another chain, right? Similarly, script information we are going to decide workflow information we are going to define in job.properties. Okay. Now I submit a job.properties. Now finally, after script is completed, After script completed, then I want to submit the workflow. How can I submit the workflow? Yes, we are submitting job data properties. This is the syntax to submit a job data properties. Oozie job minus minus Oozie, the complete path of the Oozie. HTTP localhost 11300 Oozie. This is the path of the Oozie. Space config space job data properties space minus run. Then what happened? We are submitting job data properties. Job data properties triggering. Job data properties triggering workflow. Workflow triggering accordingly our script. Once script triggering completed, down our Hive script or Pig script, whatever our script, the scripts are start execution. This is our workflow example. Next, one more point. My requirement is every day I want to submit my jobs so and so time. How can I? How can I submit the jobs every day so and so time? Especially to submit the jobs so and so particular time period, we have one more is there, that is Coordinator. Coordinator.xml file. This is also there in HTTPS only. What is coordinator? That's it. This is my coordinator. Coordinator, app name, coordinator name, frequency. Yes, frequency. Every day if you want to run, every week, every month. What is your frequency? Mention your frequency, start time, end time, time zone. And internally action, workflow path. That's it. Workflow path, that's it. So what happened? Yes, make a chain relation. Script information we are going to configure in workflow. Workflow information we are going to configure in coordinator. And coordinator information we are going to configure in job data properties. That's it. Now submit job data properties. Now job data properties triggering coordinator. Coordinator triggering workflow accordingly. What time frequency we are mentioned coordinator? Na? The coordinator triggering workflow accordingly. Then workflow triggering script accordingly. Even the job data properties, small change is there. The change in job data properties is path chain relation we want to maintain, right? Oozie WF application path. This is the application path of workflow. But I want to specify the coordinator path. Instead of WF, mention here CORD. That's it. That is the only change. Oozie.coordinate application path and give me the workflow coordination path where my coordinator is available in my HDFS. Automatically, the job data properties triggering coordinator. Automatically, the job data properties triggering coordinator. For example, I have two workflows is there. Two workflows I want to start at a time. Two separate workflows I want to start at a time. For example, this is workflow 1. Similarly, I have another workflow is there. Workflow 2.xml. I want to start these two workflows at a time. How? How we can do it? Yes, the solution is there. We have one more is there. That is bundle. Bundle.xml. What is this bundle.xml also we want to be there in HDFS only. The bundle.xml, what the meaning of bundle? General meaning, not in Oozie. Combining, right? Same concept is there in our Oozie also. Bundle.xml file is there. This bundle.xml, we are bundling two workflows and we're defining our workflows in bundle. That's it. See the code, you get the clarity. This is one of bundle also not difficult, easy one. This is my bundle code. Yeah, this is my bundle code. Bundle 1, bundle app name equal to name and the bundle name, controls kickoff start time, coordinator 1, coordinator 2. Inside coordinator, I specified where the coordinator is available. Again, chain relation is common. Scripts we are going to specify in workflow. Scripts we are going to specify in workflow. Workflow we are going to specify in coordinator. Coordinator we are specifying in bundle. Bundle we are specifying in our job data properties. Now we are submitting job data properties. Job data properties submitting bundle. Bundle submitting coordinators accordingly, and coordinator submitting workflows accordingly. And those workflows submitting are triggering scripts accordingly. That's it. That is Oozie. That's it. There is no more than this. What nodes are available? Start node, end node, workflow nodes. Where we are using these nodes? What is the purpose of using these nodes? Make a clarity about this point. It's easy to working on workflow.